If you've been in the pen spinning community for a while, you've probably seen some of the weird phrases pen spinners use to describe their tricks. In this video, I'll give examples of what I mean with in-depth explanations right after. The first one you've probably heard is busting. Maybe you've seen people say things like, "I can only bust twice in a row," or "I just busted 30 times. A bust in pen spinning is a type of trick where the pen goes around your index finger in a counterclockwise motion when facing down. To do the trick, it's easier to start with some kind of momentum from another trick, such as this trick known as Twisted Sonic. Once you can do the Twisted Sonic, immediately push the pen over the index finger, making the pen go around. Once you can do it once, try doing it twice without stopping, then 3 times. And you can keep going up from there. The next one is an acronym for a trick spelled ASS, but to understand what ASS is, we must first learn what SS is. SS in pen spinning stands for spider spin in most cases. This is when the pen spins on top of the hand like this, and is commonly followed by some type of a round, the fingerless thumb round being the most common. ASS stands for advanced spider spin, which is when the pen spins on only one finger instead of 2 or more. All advanced spider spins are spider spins, but not every spider spin is an advanced spider spin. Also, most of the time, people don't usually say advanced spider spin, and just say spider spin instead. Another less common phrase is another acronym known as PISS. This came from a fen spinner known as Void, as he performed a link which he named PISS around in the World Tournament 2021. This stands for Passed Inverse Side Sonic Around, which could have been notated many different, more accurate ways, but many people know this link as PISS around. Another phrase spinners use is wiping. A wiper in pen spinning is a type of trick, and some spinners find it funny to call the action of performing wipers as wiping. A wiper trick is when you hold the pen near the end enough for the pen to let pass through the fingers like this. A wiper is one of the only tricks unique in that it's impossible to do if the pen is infinitely long, because it must pass through the hand. Some common beginner wiper tricks are figure 8 and infinity. The final phrase is commonly known as flushing. A flush sonic is a type of trick in which the sonic is performed between 2 intermediate fingers where the first is up and the second is down. Some spinners call using this trick flushing, which is similar to structure in wiping. Now that you know, if you see these phrases, you'll understand what they really mean as a pen spinner. If you want to know the fastest way to improve at pen spinning, feel free to check this video out next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.